Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here at CVS getting ready to do a fantastic PayPal deal. It's something that I've never done before, so I don't know how it's going to work out. I'm going to go into the store. We're going to do it together and learn together. But it's a great way to save because you don't need any paper coupons. You don't need any digital coupons. All you have to do is pay with PayPal. So if you don't have the PayPal app, go ahead and download your PayPal app so that we can go ahead and get this deal. So let's get ready to save, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm going to do the deal in the car as opposed to going over it in the store for several reasons. The music's blaring in the store and it's so loud I can't even hear myself think, but I also don't want my video to get dinged. But secondly, because the deal didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, I didn't get the deal that I went in there for, but I got a different deal. So let me show you guys what I went in for. So on the PayPal app, here is a deal. Okay, it says, this sun is bad. I don't hardly have any light in here in the car, so I know it's bad for you guys. Okay, so here on the PayPal app, it says get $20 off your next in-store purchase at CVS, right? So for those of you who don't know where to find those deals, if you go down to the bottom of your app, you're going to hit this little tag right here. And when you hit that tag, all kind of deals come up. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the deal that I went in there for. So I went in for this one. Save when you pay in-store with your PayPal account. So it's get $20 towards your in-store purchase at CVS. Now let me show you. See, minimum purchase of $20.01. And it says it's 6 days left. And it's good for the first, I think, like 25,000 offers, right? So when I try to hit save offer, that's what comes up. It doesn't save. So I don't know if the 25,000 people have used it, because it says offer available to the first 25,000 PayPal and or Venmo users to redeem the offer. So I don't know if it's been redeemed, but let me tell you what happened. So when you go into CVS to get this deal, you have to pay with PayPal. So what you do is you go to, when you go to pay, okay, you have to go to your QR code. I'm sorry, hold on, guys. So see that up there? So you hit that. Hold on. I can't hold the phone and record. I'm sorry, guys. So you want to pay. So when you hit that, this is what comes up. So a scan, show to pay, or get paid. So you're going to hit show to pay. Okay, and then that comes up. And then you're going to hit pay now. I'm covering mine up. So then that comes up and you use that to pay. And then you should get $20 off your purchase. Well, let me tell you what happened to me. I didn't get $20 off because I think the code is used up because it wouldn't allow me to save the offer. But I still got some money off. So I got these 2 Hefty trash bags. You can get anything you want. It just has to total to $20, $20.01 to be able to take advantage of that deal. Now, the deal that they gave me, I don't know how much the total has to be, but I know it is 1 offer per person when I looked all through the different offers that they have, it says 1 offer per person. So I can't go back and try to the deal again to see if it works on $10 or $15 or what. But I know it works on $20. So let me show you. So I got these 2 Hefty trash bags. They were one was $10.49, and the one with lavender, this one was $10.79. So my total was $21.28 with a tax of $128. You guys know we don't talk about tax. So my total was $21.28. So I paid that. As soon as I paid that, boom, look, PayPal added $10 to my account. So I don't know if it's $10 off a $20 purchase, a deal going on or what, but it's not in the PayPal deals. And see, there's my $22.56 that I paid, and boom, they gave me $10 credit from PayPal. So guys, I don't know what this deal is, but I searched all through the app, and there's nothing there for 10 off of 20, but they gave me $10 back. So I'm absolutely happy with that. So guys, if you can't do the $20 off, then maybe you can get $10 off. I don't know how much you have to spend, but I know I spent the 20 thinking I was going to get the 20 off of 2001. I didn't. I got the 10 off of $20. So I'm fine with that. So you guys decide what's best for you. Pick up whatever items you want to pick up. Come back and let me know how much you spent and how much you got back. Let me know if the 20 off of 2001 worked for you, or you got the $10 back. I really would like to know. So thank you guys for tuning in. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button and hit the bell next to it so that you can get notified every time I put up a new video. And until the next time, keep on saving. So for those of you who don't know where to find those deals, if you go down to the bottom of your app, you're going to hit this little tag right here. And when you hit that tag, all kind of deals come up. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the deal that I went in there for. So I went in for this one. Save when you pay in-store with your PayPal account. So it's get $20 towards your in-store purchase at CVS. Now let me show you. See, minimum purchase of $20.01. And it says it's 6 days left. And it's good for the first, I think, like 25,000 offers, right? So when I try to hit save offer, that's what comes up. It doesn't save. So I don't know if the 25,000 people have used it, because it says offer available to the first 25,000 PayPal and or Venmo users to redeem the offer. So I don't know if it's been redeemed, but let me tell you what happened.